Welcome back to Listen and Learn English Easy. Today's idiom is break the ice. Imagine a frozen lake. Nobody can move. Everything is stuck. Then someone throws a stone. Crack! The ice breaks. People can walk, talk, and laugh again. In English, break the ice has a similar meaning. To break the ice means to say or do something that makes people feel comfortable, especially when they just met. It removes awkward silence. Example 1. He told a joke to break the ice at the meeting. Again, he told a joke to break the ice at the meeting. Example 2. Starting a conversation about the weather is a common way to break the ice. Again, starting a conversation about the weather is a common way to break the ice. Example 3. The teacher played a game to break the ice on the first day of class. Again, the teacher played a game to break the ice on the first day of class. Now grammar. You can use this idiom in 3 forms. 1. As a verb phrase. We need to break the ice. 2. As a noun. An icebreaker. Spelled ICEBREAKER. An icebreaker is an activity or question that helps people relax. 3. As an adjective. An ice-breaking question. When do native speakers use this? Job interviews, first dates, new classes, parties with strangers, anywhere there is awkward silence. Practice time. Complete this sentence. The host told a funny story to blank. Answer. The host told a funny story to break the ice. So remember, in any awkward situation, someone needs to break the ice. My question for you: what is your favorite way to break the ice? Share in the comments. Like this video and subscribe to Listen and Learn English Easy for more real English idioms. See you in the next lesson.